Subsequently, we add a table between two opposite seats. To insert a table, click on the table item and then into the editing area. Now you can select the table and change the size settings. If you want to keep a large table, you can keep this setting or make the table slightly shorter. It is enough to place the table roughly in the right position. Alternatively, you can also specify the distance to the left seat, for example, in this specific case with 50 mm at margin left, and then snap on here. To use the same table with the same settings for opposite sides, press Ctrl+C again in the selected state. Choose the table. Press the right mouse button twice to rotate the table. Keep the left mouse button pressed. Pressing the space key at the same time inserts the table on the other side. Tables that are slightly set back increase the aisle width and under certain circumstances lead to the creation of an escape space, which has a favorable effect on the passenger change time. This factor is automatically taken into account in the calculation. Therefore, you should enter as accurate a measurement as possible of the table length in order to be able to determine whether the table actually allows for an escape space or not. If you want to include tables that are not classic tables and are not suitable for all 4 seats, but are only small storage tables, then you can select the table and change the sizes. For example, 35 centimeters or even less. So, we have a table that only serves as a shelf. We do the same on the opposite side. For the calculation of the passenger exchange time, it is also relevant whether there are alternative spaces that can be formed here, for example, and how easy it is to reach the seats. Seats with a small table tend to be good and easy to reach, which is why the passenger change is also somewhat faster. Tables that extend to the aisle tend to make window seats harder to reach. This also increases the time it takes to change passengers. Nevertheless, the main consideration here should be the comfort factor.